Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I just took my braids down, so we gonna do a high pony today, and we gonna try out some color since I plan to wash my hair in a couple of days. If I don't like it, it'll be out in a couple of days. So I'm using the Curls Unleashed. The color is Dragon Fruit. I've never used this before, so this will be like a review on top of me doing my hair. So this is what it looks like, and I don't know if that's how it's supposed to look because that looks kind of weird, but I'm only putting it on my ends. Y'all see how chunky that looks? It looks really weird. It smells like perfume. I have two colors. I have that one, and I also have the Bombshell, which is this gold. So I'm just gonna do the red this time around. We might try the gold another time. This is what that one looked like, so I think something's wrong with that Bombshell. They smell like perfume. So what I have with me is my water, a hairbrush, the Curly Chick gel, and some my snappies, which I don't know if I'm gonna use just one or two, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start out by wetting my hair. Okay, we're gonna use the Curly Chick. I don't know, I've never used this before, so we will see how it holds. It says light hold, so hopefully it holds. We're gonna take this. Hold that down while we manage this ponytail. Alright, I'm gonna adjust y'all up. Okay, now for the color. So I probably just put the color in the way I'm messing with my hair right now, so hopefully it doesn't be all blotchy, but we shall see. so iffy on this red one. I don't know if something happened or what that is so chunky and wet looking. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get a spoon or something and stir it up. So, give me. Okay, grab the spoon. Okay, that smoothed it out. So I think it just got chunky for some reason. Don't know. Making me a little nervous. Alright. Here we go. And it's creamy. So, gonna try this out, y'all. No turns back. Alright, y'all. That's the applying it. So hopefully I got it all back there. But this is how it looks right now before it's dry, and I will come back when it's dry and my hair is pretty much dry, and we'll see how it looks. The camera makes it look a little darker than what it is, but I kind of like the way it looks. I've never colored my hair, so this is like something totally different for me, but we shall see what it looks like once it's dried up and maybe my hair goes back to its puffiness, and we'll see if this comes off my hand. If I come back and my hands still look like this, we know the color doesn't rinse very easily. Beep, beep. Alright, see y'all when it's dry. Wop. Wop, 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 wop. Alright, y'all. See you in a few. Alright, y'all. It's been about an hour. It came off my hands, so that's a good thing. So let's see how it looks. I'm going to actually turn on my ring light. It still actually won't show y'all the actual color, but here we go. This is what it's looking like. My little waves are popping, y'all. It's still a little damp, so, but my actual hair feels a little crispy, but not dry. And the color does bleed a little bit. You can't really see it with the light on. I'll show y'all in a few. But it don't look bad. I kind of like the color. Oh, there it go. The color's starting to show now. You can see the purple pretty much. In person, it looks more pink than it looks purple. It looks more like pretty much like this in person than it does with this light on. So it shows up a different color in camera than it does in person. It looks more see, the camera makes it look purple, but y'all saw the color earlier, and this is how much I used, which wasn't much. But it does bleed off, so I'm going to turn the light off so y'all can see that. It does bleed a little bit. You see a little pinkish on my fingers. So it does come off if you touch your hair. But I don't think it's bad. I think if I would have moisturized my hair a little bit more, it wouldn't feel a little crispy, but I think I actually kind of like this color, even though it does come off. I was a little scared at first. A little scared. But it kind of grew on me. I kind of do like it. This is how it looks from the back. But not bad, not bad. Yeah, close up of the look. Oops. And you can still see my curls. My hair is a little lopsided. It does weigh my hair down a little bit because it won't puff up the way I like it puffed up. But it's kind of cool. So just know if you're out and you decide to touch your hair, you're gonna end up with your fingers the color of whatever you put in your hair. So my review for this product, my review for this, I actually like it. It is, I think, like I said, if I would have moisturized my hair more, it probably would have wouldn't feel the way it does, because it's pretty creamy and it's kind of moisturizing too. But the other thing I noticed when I smelled it earlier, it has a perfume in it, so that could be another reason why my hair does feel a little dry. But I don't know, because it has a strong smell to it, which smells like a perfume fragrance. In there, as I said, I like it, so I'm fine with rocking the color until I wash my hair, which is in a couple of days anyway, so I can prepare for my next hairstyle. I don't know if I'm doing a protector style next or what, but alright y'all, this is my video. So I will see y'all in the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Yeah, girl, you got color. Alright, y'all. Bye.